video, I'm going to talk about Warrior Plus. Hi everyone, I'm Laudiaann. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And you're going to learn what Warrior Plus is. And I want to introduce you to this, especially if you're an internet marketer, you're an affiliate marketer, you're a vendor, and you're looking for a place to put your product, your digital product, to help others, to serve others, to grow their business online. Okay, so you can sign up for free here. This is the warriorplus.com, and you can log in and create your own account here. What it offers is sales automation. Time is money. So we provide all the tools necessary to quickly and easily sell and deliver your products instantly to customers worldwide. And you can actually learn more by clicking on that link right here below. There's thousands of affiliates here, always constantly putting their products, their digital products all over the world. And whatever you need for your business, Warrior Plus has the tool for you. So jumpstart your success by utilizing other marketer partners. This is a community of army that generates sales, and to your own digital products they service without no headache, whatever. But if you ever encounter a problem with Warrior Plus and one of the products, there is customer support. Just contact the vendor yourself, and they will help you resolve your business, your product that you have bought from them. And if you're not satisfied with it, just make sure you check out the 100% guarantee refund, because they will refund your money, but it's not through Warrior Plus. I just want to focus that you're not going to get refunded by Warrior Plus. You're going to get refunded back your 100% guarantee, money back guarantee from the support group through the vendor. Okay, so they have acknowledged that in whatever product you have bought from them, you're going to see support. So just click on support and just contact them if you have any issues whatsoever. So Warrior Plus updates products constantly. So there's always something new. And there's thousands of software people are uploading. Their vendors, they create their products to help serve your business. So they're top-notch updated products. There's also a powerful tracking to track what the sales are, what the vendors are making. So it is possible to make money. You could be an affiliate marketer for any of these vendors and make money. Okay, now in this video, I'm going to talk about the cons of Warrior Plus. And there have been a lot of negative reviews about Warrior Plus. I'm a member with Warrior Plus, but there are risks that you take when you purchase a product. There's people that are honest with their products on Warrior Plus, but then there's people that upload as a vendor are not, they're not very good. There's also bad. A product or software that doesn't work. Now I have contact support, to get a refund. Sometimes I get refunds, sometimes I don't. So it is a risk taking. But I'm going to totally tell you it is not 100% scam. Okay, when you do business online, you got to be careful. You got to read what they offer, and some, do your research before you ever buy a product from them. Check out on YouTube. Find out other people's reviews on that product before you actually buy the product. It gets tempting when you see a lot of digital product. You just want to try them, but then some of them are not good as others. So you do take a risk. Here I have did a little research. It says Warrior Plus is not a scam. Warrior Plus is not a scam. Scammers are people using a platform to promote or sell worthless products, and you will find them on Warrior Plus. It's difficult to identify them if there are a legit vendor or a affiliate marketer. Either one. They're both, the vendor is an affiliate marketer. Buying something from WordPress, you are responsible to be careful, do your research, you study it, you investigate it before getting scammed. Okay, so I got scammed a few times, but I don't believe that it's 100% scam. This website is actually can create money for you, and they have good vendors there. There's some that don't have the knowledge as being a vendor, so that's why you end up with a worthless product. And it is so important, if you don't contact that vendor right away, if you don't contact support with them right away, it's going to be hard for you to get a refund. You have to fight for your refund. You got to show them that you're not satisfied through the support, and then they will refund your money back. They have done that for me with some of my products that I have purchased from them. And then some of them I lose out because I take the risk of getting a product that I thought I would believe that it would be true, and it's not. It's worthless, and I've encountered my negative views of Warrior Plus, but there are also good products that vendors are honest and good, serving the public to help their business grow. If you do your research online, you're going to find a lot of people that will never buy a product from them again. People that are negative and have a very bad feedback about Warrior Plus is that they don't know the knowledge of how affiliate marketing works. So I just want to share with you, there are good vendors using this website, and I hope my review on Warrior Plus have helped you in any way. All right. Don't go quick about giving bad reviews online. There's a lot of people have given up, or they just don't know the knowledge of how Warrior Plus works. So go ahead, check out my next video, and I hope that I have helped anyone that wants to learn online marketing. All right, take care, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.